So another question on integration by parts, and this is probably the most interesting one. You can again see you've got two functions, x and ln x, that are multiplied together. So I will write the formula here for integration by parts, which is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du, which is the one that we've been using. So again, you go, okay, making one of them u and one of them dv. Suppose I go with u to be equal to x and dv to be equal to ln x. Okay, because I'm interested in du, I'll go du by dx is equal to 1 and du is equal to dx. So this one's fine. I've taken the dx over and I've got du. Now v is the integral of this. Now realize that we do not know what the integral of ln x is. So we don't, like the integral of cos is sine x. We don't really know what the integral of ln x is. We know the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. So this is where you can see that your choice of u and dv becomes very, very important. Okay, suppose we swap them around. Let's see what happens. So let's say that your u is equal to ln x and your dv is equal to x, okay, which is the other one. Here your du by dx is equal to 1 over x and your v is the integral of x dx, which is x squared divided by 2. So you can see this choice of u and dv works, this does not work. Okay, so at this point we'll go, that didn't work. In an exam situation, if you're doing this, you may not realize right in the beginning which one your u and dv is. You can do a bit of a trial and see if it doesn't work, then you swap them around, or realize that it is the integral. Because we couldn't find the integral of ln x, that could not be your dv. So I guess that is another way to check. Just have a look at these two and go, which one I cannot integrate, so that one cannot be your dv. So either way, now you can apply your formula to this. Okay, so I'll go integral of x ln x dx is equal to uv, so which is ln of x, that's my u, v is this, minus, which belongs to the formula, minus integral of v, which is again that, and du, okay, we should have found our du. Du is equal to 1 over x dx, so du is equal to 1 over x dx. Okay, so we'll try and simplify this. Minus the integral. Now you can see that this x and that x squared, that can be simplified, so I just get x on top, so I've got x over 2 times your 1 dx. I'll probably take it to the next line. I'll go ln of x, x squared over 2. That half is a constant, so I'll go minus half integral of x dx. Sorry, it's a bit messy, but this becomes your ln x, x squared over 2 minus half multiplied by the integral of x dx, which is x squared over 2, and then you can have your plus c. And that's your final answer.